Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of tall glam candle holders. And so what you're going to need is some of this glam diamond. It's like a floral diamond wrap. And you'll need this. You can find this on EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer. They reached out to me and I have partnered with them. So you can find this on their website. You can also use my custom coupon code, a cozy Casita, all one word, just like the channel name. That'll save you 15% on your order with them. Also, you could either use my custom affiliate link, and that'll save you 15% on your order. So either one of those ways can save you 15%. I'll have all of that information linked in the description box below for you guys. The EFavormart information and the custom coupon code and affiliate links. So you'll need some of this floral diamond wrap. You're also going to need some of these tea light holders. I've got some immersible tea lights here. These are from EFavormart.com as well. And I also have some of their diamond gemstones from EFavormart as well. And these are just the loose gemstones. I may or may not be using these. We'll see as we go along. But from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these tea light holders. And you can see they're the graduated height. You can make them the same height if you'd like to do that. It's up to you. You're going to need 4 of these square glass candle holders from Dollar Tree. And then I've got some peel and stick gemstones here. And these are from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue for this project, but if you would like to make these pieces permanent, please use something like an E6000 or a permanent epoxy bond would work as well. These are the items that we'll need in order to create these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Well, there you have it, guys. Aren't these candle holders beautiful? I think they turned out beautifully. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and stunning glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.